Welcome to your school adventure. School is one of the best places to be. It's where you make new friends, learn amazing things, and discover what you're truly good at. Every day is a chance to grow smarter, kinder, and more confident. To make your school days awesome, here are some simple but powerful things you can do, starting today. 1. Come to school with a smile. Start every day with a happy heart. When you walk into school smiling, you spread positive energy to your friends and teachers. Remember, a good attitude makes learning fun. 2. Listen and learn. Your teachers are there to help you grow. When you listen carefully, you discover cool facts, new skills, and exciting stories. Keep your ears open and your mind ready. Learning is an adventure. 3. Ask questions. Be curious. Never be afraid to raise your hand. Every big idea starts with a small question. If something confuses you, ask. Curiosity is your superpower for success. 4. Do your homework proudly. Homework isn't a punishment, it's practice for greatness. It helps you understand lessons better and makes you ready to shine in class. Try your best and you'll be amazed at how smart you can become. 5. Be kind and respectful. A kind word or smile can make someone's day better. Respect your teachers, help your classmates, and include everyone. When you're kind, school feels like a happy family. 6. Take part and show your talent. Join class activities, draw, sing, play sports. Show the world what makes you special. School is the perfect place to discover your hidden talents and build your confidence. 7. Keep your school clean. Your classroom is your second home. Keep it neat and bright. Throw trash in the bin. Take care of your books and respect school property. A clean place helps everyone learn better. 8. Never give up. Sometimes schoolwork feels tough, but don't quit. Mistakes are just stepping stones to success. Keep trying, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself. You've got this. 9. Be a role model. You don't need to be the oldest to be a leader. Show good behavior, help others, and always do the right thing even when no one's watching. You'll inspire others to do the same. 10. Enjoy every day at school. Learning isn't just about books and grades. It's about friendship, teamwork, and fun. Make every day count, enjoy the journey, and celebrate how far you've come. Keep shining bright. Remember, school isn't just about books and grades. It's about becoming the best version of you. Every lesson, every challenge, and every friendship helps you grow. So walk with confidence, dream big, and keep shining bright wherever you go. Your future starts right here, right now, at school.